Hello everyone. Welcome to Controllers Tech. Today we will cover one very interesting microcontroller, which was recently launched by Raspberry Pi. Yes, I am talking about Raspberry Pi PICO. It's a basic microcontroller compared to other devices owned by Raspberry Pi, and today we will see how to get started with PICO. If the things go well, I will continue this series, starting with basic peripherals, and later moving on to the advanced level, possibly artificial intelligence. I can't promise this, but I will try my best to do it. Anyway, let's start with the basic setup today. First of all, we need to download the Thonny IDE. Go to the official site, and download according to your operating system. Installation is usual, like any other software. By the time it installs, let's see some things that we can use in MicroPython. Just search for MicroPython cheat sheet. This is not showing proper results. Let me search it with Google. Yes, here you see we have quick reference guide for ESP32. We are going to use this for a while. Here some of these modules are specific to ESP32, but we can use the general ones. Like for delay and timing, timers, GPIO, PWM, and all these other modules. Okay, our installation is finished now. Let's open the IDE. Here is our Thonny IDE. If you are connecting the PICO board first time, go to Tools, Options, Interpreter. And select the interpreter as the Raspberry Pi PICO. Now connect your board to the computer, and do that while the boot select key is pressed. As you can see, a new storage device got detected, RPIRP2. Now click Install Firmware. If the device is connected, you will get the device information here. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. The firmware has been installed, and now the device is ready to be programmed. I just want to show one more thing. If we connect the board simply now, without pressing the boot select key, it will be connected in programming mode, and not in the storage mode. So we simply plug the board. You can see the LED is blinking, that means the old code is running. If we press stop here, it will be stopped, and we can program new code into it. Let's start writing our program now. First of all, we will import the pin module from machine, or you can say machine.pin, so that we can work with the LED. Next we will import time, so that we can use delays. Let's configure the LED pin now. Here 25 is the LED pin, and we are setting it as output. As you can see here, pin 25 is connected to the LED. Now we will write a while loop, where the LED can blink forever. Toggle the LED. And sleep for 1 second. That's all. Now click Save to save this project. It will prompt where you want to save it to. You can save in computer also, but I am choosing to save in PICO. This is my old file present here, I can just overwrite it. Make sure the name is main.py. Let's run it now. Seems like the format for true is wrong. Let me just correct it. Click Save again. Now click Run. So as you can see, the LED is blinking every 1 second. Now let's change the sleep time to 500 milliseconds. Yes, we have to stop the execution before loading the code again. Now the blinking is every 500 milliseconds. Instead of toggle, we can also perform on and off separately. As expected, the LED is on for 500 milliseconds and off for 1 second. Just for debugging purpose, we can also make it print Hello World. As you can see, it's printing it on the console every 1.5 milliseconds. This is it for this video. I will continue this series, and like I said in the beginning, first I will cover some peripherals, and then try some advanced things. You can use cheat sheet, if you are new to MicroPython, as I am doing the same. You can download the code from the link in the description. Keep watching, and have a nice day ahead.